on the next part, it is C prime. We have the same idea. It is the beginning the same. But after we have C, G, and F, A, C, and B, G. So C, G, F, A, C, B, G. Okay? And how it's work? So we have the same chord. This one is the same. And when I will play the G, I play D, A, E on the same note. And F, A, C, G lower, and B, G. Okay? So I show you more closer. So we have this one. And it is the second part that it can be tricky, I think so. One more time. And jump, we are on the G key. And voila, we are very close to finish because it is again A part. So A part is and the end, you remember, it is B, D, A. But on this time it is not B, D, A, it is B, D, B. And G, D, and C, B, D. So it is here that change, because we need a little mystery. And for this case, the left hand is the same, but on the last note it is different. We have the B, D, G, the B flat, C sharp, A. Oh, I will do a mistake. So again, this one, B, D, G, B flat, C sharp, A on B. On D we have this A, C, G. And on A we have D, C, F sharp, G. So, and I put two fingers on B and D to prepare my last chord and to play on the right hand G, B, D, G, and on the left hand G, D, G. It is an idea, a proposition. Okay? So how it's work out, the movement is and slow down. And voila, we are finished. And my neighbor is happy because I will stop to play Zelda all the day. So I hope you enjoy this free tutorial by ear. It is a long time that I don't make a new free tutorial. I hope you enjoy. To support my work, you can buy some cheat tunes or video course as you want. And voila, I'm very happy to share with you this first free tutorial for 2023. I hope you enjoy, and I will see you on the next video. Bye bye.